Honorable Vice-Chancellor Sir, my dear colleagues and dear students, I wish you a very happy New Year 2026. I hope this New Year you will get plenty of opportunities to learn and get success in your life. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable Vice-Chancellor, Registrar and colleagues. I wish you all a happy new year. Review your last year activities and what are the distractions on the path of success, identify, then overcome those things and plan well this 2026. I hope all of you will get success in 2026. Thank you very much.
May this new year bring peace, joy and prosperity. Wish you and your family members a happy and prosperous new year. So like we say, this year should be give more scope for you to have out-of-box thinking and provide a platform for more innovative things to happen to align ourselves with Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Bharat. Thank you.
Chancellor Sir, Registrar Sir and other Deans, HODs and my dear colleagues, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. Thank you.
So good morning everyone. So this is Dr. N. Sheshkar Rao, Head Department of Mathematics and Statistics. So this is the day when we are going to celebrate very happily. So I hope the same day will continue in remaining 364 days also. So this is the day to change your lifestyle and to walk towards your goals, what you have said. So this is the year many of our students are going to be graduated, and I hope you will get a good success in your endeavors. Thank you very much.
Good morning. On behalf of the Office of Dean Promotion and Collaborations, I wish you very happy and prosperous New Year to all of you. And there are a lot of innovation challenges are going on in and around the Vignan University. I request all the students, please participate in all those events and exhibit your technical knowledge to all the members. So this is the right time for you to do this. Thank you.
Vice-Chancellor Sir, our esteemed Registrar, fellow Deans, HODs, and all my dear students. Wish you all a very happy and joyful New Year. I hope that this New Year will be vibrant for all of you. And not only, I was telling yesterday a group of students, not only academics, but we have in February Mahotsav coming up. Yesterday there was a curtain raiser event. You should shine on all fronts. Participate in dance, music, drama, literary competitions, sports. Make yourself as versatile, as multifaceted as possible. Because the world is changing very fast. Sometimes your BTech degree may not get you a job. Okay, so just now as I was coming, I saw Anil Ravpudi, our alumni. He was a BTech student, but he made his career in films. So if you shine on all fronts, choose one or two areas where you feel your talent lies, start working on building skills, talent in that direction, and sometimes you never know where life leads you. So no field is superior or inferior. It is the passion, the dedication, and the commitment to learn and shine in that field and contribute to that field that makes you inherently great or not so great. So I hope that you will all have a very, very enjoyable new year and you will take the opportunities given by the university, the wonderful resources, the continuous mentoring and guidance that your teachers, your counselors are continuously supporting you with, and you will develop yourselves on various fronts and you will all become very, very vibrant, multifaceted and truly global citizens. Wish you all very best. Have a glorious year.
It is evident that as per all these wishes which were given by our faculty, that the world is changing very fast and it is you who have to grab this opportunity. Only thing is you should make use of all the opportunities which come into your way. That is sufficient for you to excel in your career, and I once again wish you all a very happy new year. Thank you.
So, respected Vice Chancellor, Deans, faculty members, Registrar, and my dear students, very, very happy New Year to all of you and your friends and your family members. So, I wish this 2026 should be a very glorious year for all of you, and there must be a big change in your lives. Yes. And what I request and suggest all of you is, okay, knowledge you gain, skills also imparted, fine. Apart from that, there must be some change in your, attitudes, in your personality. The changes may be kindness, changes may be compassion, change may be helpful, helping the others, change may be so graceful. So, and the last one, very important thing is the humility, humbleness. So, you try to make at least one of these qualities in this 2026. Okay, knowledge is everywhere, skills are everywhere, you'll get employment, everything is there. But to make the real personality and to a real human being, some of these qualities should be there. Especially the last thing, humility, humbleness, is the most important thing. Generally what happens is, when we are very aggressive, very, overactive, always the nature tries to down you. When you are humble, always the nature helps you to go up. That is the natural law. So there must be some change in our lives in 2026. So these are some of the things you can, most of you, some of the rich people, they get lot of food. You can't eat that kind of food. So most of the times you throw away. Instead, you never help the next fellow, next poor fellow. So that giving and gracefulness, the compassion, helping the others, these are the important qualities to become the better human being. I hope, I wish at least one change you have to make it this year. So once again, wish you a very, very happy New Year and very successful year, very healthy year. Healthy means not sitting in the classrooms, not traveling in the bus. Healthy means you should be enthusiastic to work, to play, to sing, to dance. So this is the enthusiasm is the real health. So try to make yourselves very enthusiastic and make an all-round personality. We expect that kind of people coming out of this institute. Wish you all the best. Very, 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 very happy New Year to you, to your friends, and to your family members. Thank you.